Hey guys, hey faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Hope you guys are doing well and having an amazing day. In today's vlog, you guys will see all the excitement from Tyler opening his birthday gifts. We had so much footage that I couldn't just cram everything in one vlog. So in this one, you'll see all the excitement of him pulling gifts from our faves, pulling gifts from aunties, uncles, grandma, papa, mama, friends, everybody. And on behalf of Tyler, I just want to tell you guys thank you for all the birthday wishes that you guys have been sending from Facebook, Instagram, here on YouTube. He appreciates all of them. As soon as they come out, tell him that he get happy birthday wishes, and he's pretty excited. You guys know how animated he can be. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the excitement of his little face through opening his gift. And thank you guys for all the love and all the support and all the blessings. Yes, I'm just coming on to tell you guys that we love you, and thank you guys again for everything. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up, keep up with the fam. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. And at the end of this video, go on and make sure you check to see that your notification bell is on so that you don't miss tomorrow's vlog. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Princess is here, just finished eating, and I'm about to put her to bed. Let me see if you guys can see her. There she is. Say hello to Faves. Faves looking at you. See them there? Look. Say hello. I want to suck my fingers, so mama put mittens on my hand. If opening time. Assist him in
Alors
getting
tu
his
veux que
gift.
papa il te donne les cadeaux? Lequel d'abord et lequel après? Celui-là d'abord?
Non, je veux pas celui-là.
Oh non, après d'abord celui-là, après celui-là.
Okay,
après
let
celui-là.
Papa give you first.
Who give you that one? Ah, c'est qui? C'est qui quoi?
What it says on it?
Papa. Ma. Maman.
Sit right there. Sit, Ty. Ty,
Maman le cadeau.
sit on the floor.
Assis.
Bring on the Mario back up.
What's that?
My ultimate garbage truck.
Montre à maman.
Ooh. Alright, put it under the table.
Tyler.
Ty, put it under the table and come. You have a lot to go. Under.
Donne à papa.
Next.
Ça c'est qui ça?
Who that one's from?
Kian, come here.
Shanique.
Auntie Shanique. Auntie Shanique. Pull it hard, Ty. Hard.
Let's see if it takes well.
Marianne, you see scissors over there? Give it to me.
Open it, I can open it.
Yeah, but you need the scissors for the box.
Allez, papa, il va l'ouvrir.
Here, honey. Tyler, give this to Papa. Ty, give this to Papa.
Pass me the wrapper. The wrapper. Why? Let Kiki sit down. Kiki sit.
Let's see. I don't know what's in that box.
Dad, I want to check on the floor. I want to check on the floor.
Allez, vas-y.
Was it? Put it hard, Ty, hard. Yeah.
Honey, the box don't open properly. What is that?
Letters.
Uh-huh.
Numbers.
It
What
says
is that?
match and spell. Ooh.
And spell.
Yes.
You want this one?
All right, next.
Ah, what is written?
Who is it from?
It's called
Look at the word.
Ballerine. Is it back pink?
Allez, tiens. Mets par
Because
terre.
that's chicken fry.
A box in top of the box. I don't know why mommy didn't open the box.
I don't know why they keep doing this.
Make it more fun. Now I have to.
I didn't have time. Sorry.
What is
Ooh, let's see what's in. Turn around to me. What is that? Yeah. You like it? What else is in the box? Wow. What else is in there?
For me?
Uh-huh.
Put it on my arm. Put it on my arm. It's for me.
What else is in
Put it
there?
on my arm.
And then the shirt.
My turn.
Wow.
Ooh.
Tyler have a tie. Tie have a tie.
Thank you. No, it's a real tie.
It's Tyler tie. It's tie.
Oh, pass me.
What's that? That was in here? Who's talking about this? Okay. That's it? Alright, say thank you, Gamma Val.
Put them back in.
Tyler, say thank you to Gamma.
Tyler,
Thank you.
Thank you who?
Thank you.
Tyler, regarde la caméra sinon tu n'auras pas
Say
les
thank
autres.
Thank
you, Gamma.
you, Grandma Valerie. Valerie? Yes. Are you sure
Ah,
it's a friend?
ça c'est qui?
That sounds familiar.
C'est Agnès et Luc. C'est Agnès et tonton Luc.
I know.
Alright, cool.
I know you remember. Yeah. Sounds very familiar. Ooh, what's
Oui,
that?
tu me diras, je vais
Look
pas
at that card. Look at that card. It's for me. Slick new outcome. Yeah.
Alright, next.
Ça c'est papa et...
Mama.
Allez, montre à maman.
What's it?
Tyler, tourne-toi vers maman.
Turn around.
Voilà. It's better if you put it here.
No, that's okay where he is.
Is it Play-Doh? Yes, it is Play-Doh. Mom, Play-Doh. Play-Doh. You are very lucky, Tyler.
Oh, Tyler, you hit Kian's face. Tyler, say sorry. The box hit Kian. Say sorry.
Sorry. It's okay, Kiki. It's just an accident.
Next.
Kiki, come.
What is that? Rip it up, Ty. Turn around this way.
You don't know without.
Ty, turn this way to me.
No. No.
No
Way.
The gift.
No. Epic. Sick. That's my catchphrase.
Good job, Ty. You like it?
Yes, I do.
It's yours. All of it is yours.
Which one you want?
Next.
Il est là? Je crois que celui-là c'est tonton Sébastien.
No catchphrase is one word.
Oh.
I do.
C'est tonton Sébastien, tata Manon et cousin Jules. Attends.
Strawberry kicks out. Strawberry kicks out. Strawberry kicks out. Strawberry kicks out. Kicks out.
Allez, tiens, ouvre. C'est quoi ça?
Sorry, Kian. Kian, back up a bit, keys, before you get hurt. What's that? What kind? Ooh. What?
Wait, it's Lego tech.
Good job.
I'm 7 and over.
Alright, next.
He needs to get it when he's 7.
Regarde, elle a rien encore dedans.
Wait, that's not Lego tech, is it?
Sorry, Kian.
Oh, calm down.
Oh, there's something else in it.
Yeah.
Books. Wow.
You can find book.
Yay. You love those.
It's not Lego tech. What
is that, Tyler?
Ken, come that way, baby.
Oh, it's an activity book.
Cool.
I love doing activities with
Mario.
Next.
Which one you want?
It's not Lego Tech.
This one, take it.
I think that's just the name of the place.
Allez, c'est toi qui l'ouvre. C'est papa et maman, celui-là. Ah, did you say thank you to Tonton Sébastien, Tata Manon et les cousins?
Turn around. This way.
Thank you, it's the
Look at the camera.
Sébastien et tonton Manon et tonton Jules et cousin Jules.
Et Tata
Et
Manon.
Tata Manon. No, you said Tonton Manon. Tata.
Tata Manon.
Alright.
Allez, tiens,
Bravo.
ça c'est papa et maman. Now when you have one kid, it's easier than when you have 4 kids. four kids, you got work at the end of
That's next time school.
Uh,
Dear you.
Take
We're
it
gonna
up,
have to
Natai.
stop.
Take it up.
Now we have 2. My father called me and he said, I don't give anything to you anymore. You have 2 kids. I 2 kids only.
Yeah.
I said the same thing to my brother. What is that? Did you show it?
Yes, he already did.
What is that?
Lego.
You like Lego? Et c'est papa et c'est maman aussi. Show maman. Show maman. What is that?
I'm trying to save the floor.
What is that? Small truck and train. You like it? Which one you want? Allez, prends-le alors.
Oh my God. Tomorrow, you lot need to look for that trap thing when you get home.
They'll have a bunch of them in a room, you know,
I don't
sit in
wait.
a room.
That's unbookable.
And the thing is, you can add train and train
You
and
can buy more traps to add to it.
They do it well because he's.
Kian him say you can help him if you want.
Yeah, I like it.
My auntie one day she got some things and she just had.
Wow.
What is that?
For heaven's sake, leave the wrappers and move.
What is? That's okay. You want to put it back on?
No, that one is not yours, Kian. Yours is at home.
You have one?
Yours is at home, baby.
I put it here, Tyler.
Orange one. I know you've got one. That one is at home. Yours is at home.
And then you have a good amount to receive again.
Yours is at home.
From Adeline, she
I know
said,
the middle of the
she said that.
I told you Adeline own came.
Okay, so
Yeah, yours is at home. It's not your one, that one.
Tiens, Tyler.
Look at the color.
Oh.
Look, it's not the same color, is it?
Cutting up rubbish.
What is that? Wow! Oh my gosh! Who is that from? It's from Auntie Shanique. What do you say to Auntie Shanique?
Thank you, Auntie Shanique, but I look at I open it.
Allez, montre à papa et à maman.
Here you go.
When your Paw Patrol upstairs. You got what you wanted. That's the one you wanted? Yeah, and I thought you wanted to help Tyler.
I wanted to help
That's the
her.
things they're feeling right in the heart.
Tyler, I love this one.
Tiens.
Now
What
you
is
can
that?
make your ice cream.
Good. Don't have to eat
Et
plastic
ça,
anymore.
c'est Tata
Adeline.
Adeline et Tonton Kamel. Oh,
Oh,
a
nothing.
box
Oh,
inside the box.
I thought the room could have been getting, I couldn't have gotten no more. Just when you thought it was
Well.
come out.
Well,
When you are only child and you used to be only grandchild.
okay, so can you
Make it
imagine?
poor. This stuff is a card. Let me Papa tell you. C'est Tata Adeline. Elle dit Happy birthday to you, my little Tyler.
There's presents inside.
Open that one. Open that bag that you have in your hand.
Ah,
Which
it's
is the
over there.
bottom of that?
Repeat that.
Some more. You like 4, 5 inside.
What's that?
Oh, snap. Whoa! And that.
Yeah. Ooh. Candy. Okay.
That's cheap. We better put this in the
Fridge.
So big. Oh, look what they have.
I did not this. Is a towel.
Whoa.
what is
I love that Paw Patrol cup.
It's popular book. Yeah, right.
Paw Patrol, everything them know him so well. Lord have mercy.
Paw Patrol book for night.
Ooh.
Wow.
Hey, Adeline no play with the wrapping still, you know. She deliberately sit down and wrap them piece by piece, neat as can be. Hold on. He got one of this week.
Yeah.
This exact same thing you got from somebody this week.
Oh yes, you have a lot of color to do. Woo.
And you have to make a mistake.
That's not a waste.
I love that game.
Yes, Tyler! You remember this one? You remember it? Yes!
You say thank you.
Say thanks to Tata Adeline.
Merci, Tata Adeline.
That's it?
Yes.
Nothing else is behind him?
No.
Okay, say thank you everyone for my gifts. This way.
Thank you everyone for my gift.
Good job.